7 mistakes killing your credit score. Many people want a higher credit score, but they don't realize they're quietly making mistakes that drag it down fast. Here are 7 common credit-killing habits and how to fix them quickly. 1. Missing even one payment can drop your score 60 to 100 points and stay for years. Set up autopay to make sure you never miss a due date. 2. Using too much of your available credit signals risk to lenders. Keep your usage under 10% for the fastest score recovery. 3. Every hard inquiry costs points and makes you look desperate. Space out new applications by at least 3 to 6 months. 4. Older accounts increase your average credit age. Keep them open even if you rarely use them to maintain a healthy credit history. 5. Errors, fraud, or old collections can silently hurt your score. Check your reports regularly and dispute anything inaccurate. 6. Using only credit cards or only loans limits your score. A mix of both shows you can handle different types of debt responsibly. 7. Some believe carrying a balance improves credit, but it only costs you interest. Always pay in full whenever possible. Fixing these 7 mistakes can boost your credit score faster than you think. Which of these do you think most people overlook without realizing it?